Hello everyone! 3.5 years ago I moved out from this channel, only to realize that it is the best channel I ever had. And so I'm back, home sweet home, with this wonderful video where I'm gonna be showing you how to share your WEBGL game. What you have to do, you have to sign in and drag and drop your folder with your wonderful game here. Then you're gonna give a name to your game or something. Since I have already uploaded it, I'm gonna give it name duplicate of typo FNAF. Good. Say upload. That's it. So simple. Let's just action, survival, 3D prototype, maybe fantasy, no, educate, nope, maybe puzzle, okay. Rip off duplicate to be removed. Okay, that's it. Save. View your content. Don't forget to click here to have a sound working properly. Oh, that was scary. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a good time. Bye bye, and have a good time. See you later in the next video about something very interesting or maybe not very interesting. Bye bye.